Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening System Settings or System Preferences from the Apple menu. This gives direct access to display controls. Once the display's pane is visible, make sure the MacBook Pro's internal screen is selected. You'll see resolution or scale choices. These are what change on-screen size. Choose Scaled to reveal preset size options. Move on immediately to pick a target that balances space versus readability. This first step establishes the effective pixel density you'll use for the rest of the process. Now select a scaled preset, either larger text for bigger UI elements or more space to fit more on screen. You're changing effective pixel size, not physical pixels. Once chosen, click Apply or Confirm during the preview period so the system shows the change for about 15 seconds. This helps you judge readability and window layout. Make sure to test an app window and the dock. If colors or brightness feel different, toggle True Tone or Night Shift briefly to keep visual balance while you finalize the size. Once you've confirmed the scaled size, close settings and live with the change for a few minutes to ensure comfort. Your choice is now the active display scale. If text or UI elements look blurry, make sure you didn't select a non-native resolution. Switch back to default for display to fix it. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode, reset NVRAM, or install Mac OS updates. These steps clear display caches and drivers, and they often resolve stubborn scaling artifacts or performance hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.